My name is Rory, I'm 18 years old and I'm from Sydney. I applied for the TMHA apprentice program because I'm very interested in mechanics and heavy vehicles, and I really wanted to get a grip of this kind of industry and hopefully better apply it to the things I love. So mechanics is something that I've loved growing up, love being able to work on my bikes and cars at home. I chose Toyota Material Handling because I believe this is a place that can set you up really well for your future. The company is very much based off longevity. So coming here, I believe that I could stay here for a long time and hopefully make a career out of it. Out of this apprenticeship, I'd like to be able to not only get a knowledge and understanding of mechanics and heavy vehicles, but also a career that will set me up for a long time. In the future, I see myself still at Toyota, hopefully moving up through the ranks in the office maybe. I love the tools and I love working on vehicles, but I'd also like to move up towards management as well.